natin kailangan isipin yung oras kasi sabay natin tong palilipasin. Hindi mo na kailangan suluin ang lahat. Kasi nandun ako para tulungan ka.
And cut!
Akala niyo eksena sa Hello Love Again yun, ano? Kakamali kayo. Nandito lang kami sa Canmore, isa sa mga stops namin. Ngayong nandito kami sa Alberta, Canada. Hello guys!
Hello!
Hello! So ngayon papunta kami sa Parks Canada Shuttle. We are going to Lake Moraine and Lake Louise. See you in a minute. Ayun sila nasa likod. Ay, gusto niyo makita yung view? Ayan pala yung view. Ganda, no?
Dito ko na sa light ng place.
So this is all the ticket we need. Pina-reserve na namin to 2 days early. Kasi kung pupunta kayo rito on the same day, most likely wala ng ticket. So ito yung kailangan yung ipa-reserve 2 days early para makapunta kayo either sa Lake Louise or sa Lake Moraine. So using this ticket. Dito na tayo guys. Kasi makita. Ayan, ang ganda, no? Wow! Here, hi! Lake Marian, Moraine. Let's go. So meron tayong lunch dito, mga gift shop. Oh no, there's a bear right there. There. It's not a scary bear. Okay, so hindi siya kasing linis ng Lake Louise. Yeah. Hindi siya kasing mga lodges. Hindi siya ganun ka-develop. Mga tao doon, no?
Wow.
Yung mga tao.
Now go up there.
Gift shops.
Never mind, let's go there.
Where?
Stop. Over here.
Pero the water is still blue.
Yung turquoise.
Turquoise. Yeah. Pero mas bluish yung ano. Yung Lake Louise. So, is it worth it? Yeah, it's worth it. Especially kung gagamitin niyo yung Parks Canada Shuttle. Mura lang siya. So, from Lake Moraine, pwede kang pumunta ng Lake Louise and then going back to the Bungola. Oh, mas maganda rito. May ano doon, no? May stock. So, nandito na tayo. Ano pa siya? Ayan, dito yung mga nagkakaliw. Ano, no? Mga rental units. Kung gusto mag-overnight sa Moraine Lake. Ito parang hiking trail na to. Ayan. Ano sa opinion, mami? Ano mas maganda? Lake Louise o Lake Moraine? Ha?
I can't choose.
You can't choose?
Parehong sobrang ganda.
Well, ako, Lake Louise. Sigurado yun. Hands down. Mas maganda yung Lake Louise. The color of the water, the cleanliness of the water, the background scenery. Lake Louise pa rin ako. Dati tao rin, no? Dati tao.
Daddy, is it white?
Wow. Oh, this is nice. Keep walking pa o ano? Guys, I want to show you something. So, ito kami, diba? So, ito yung Lake Moraine. Nakikita niyo yung border? Ito yung Alberta, ito yung British Columbia. Ang mali namin, nung nag-decide kami magpunta sa Banff, nagpabook kami ng mga hotel sa Airdrie sa Calgary, malapit sa Calgary. So, ang nangyari, going to Banff, inabot kami ng 2 hours na pagdadrive. So, yun yung unang mali namin. Dapat pala, kung ang destination nyo sa Banff, humanap kayo ng hotel na malapit sa area na yon. Either sa Canmore, sa Banff, o sa Golden. Para hindi mapapalayo yung biyahe nyo. What are you doing there? I'm not a bear.
That's your dad!
Come find us, Kuya.
Ala?
Checked our steps. We did 2 meters, 2K and 1.8K.
Really?
Said 1.5 meters, like going.
So from our starting point over there? So we already did 2 kilometers? Almost? Wow.
I know where we're going.
And then going back another 2 kilometers. Yeah.
I know where we're going, Daddy.
What are we looking for? Yung lake shore?
There is no lake shore. Cause this
It says 1.1 kilometers, right?
Daddy, cause this lake shore is connected there. So we have to go. Oh, no.
Okay. Still hiking. Ate, are we near? Are we close to the waterfall? Oh, there it is. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Hi! Hi, Nanay! Washi-washi pa rin. Oh yeah, it's nice here. Hello! Hi. Huh? Here's the waterfall, guys. And si ate, oh. Hi, ate! And si Rai Rai. Hello! Yes! Tingnan yung naliligo, oh. Lamig-lamig dyan, pero naliligo siya. Prolonged stay in the lake and cross hypothermia. Pero sandali lang yan. Sinubukan niya lang kung gano'ng kalamig. 7 degrees? Wow, that's too cold. 7 degrees Celsius. Tara na, pagod na yung Pepe, Mami.
Nah, no, but Rai is so tired. Rai, piggyback. You're so tired.
Yes, daw. Yes, na, yes.
So tired. Opo.
Okay. So, natapos na yung adventure namin dito sa Lake Moraine. Nakakapagod. Hello guys, nandito kami sa Canmore.
Hi.
Punta sila sa mixed beer shop. Bibili ng mga alak. Marami, hahanapin mo na yung ano boss eh. Mountain Dew. Oh. Makita mo, Mountain Dew. O model oh. Picture. Smile. O yan. Isingilin natin sila. Hello Uncle Fred. Hi ate.
Hi.
This is nice.
Whoa.
Wait a minute. It's this. Oh my goodness, it's this one. It's this! Hi guys, alam niyo ba yung eksena ng sa Hello, Love, Goodbye? Ito. Pakita ko sa inyo. Nakita niyo ba to? It's this one.
Hindi mo na kailangan suluin ng lahat. Kasi nandun ako para...
So nakikita niyo yung tindahan na yun? Ito yun, no? Dito pala siya sa Canmore. So nice.
And cut!
So ito yung buong Canmore, guys. Ganda siya. So dito pala nag-date si Alden at saka si Catherine. Ano? Look at the scenery. How do you find Canmore?
Less busier, so better.
Less British Columbia, more of Canada. Like Canada more.
But
Canmore.
we already had
Get the joke? Canmore.
It was a terrible joke.
It is a good joke.
Terrible.
Ganda. Takisama pa yung weather, hindi sunny. Main and 7th. Canmore Hotel.
How's that hotel? It's really small little thing.
Yeah, it's a
Bar shop.
whole little hotel. Doesn't make any sense. Ganda. Tinuan. Highly recommended pag nagawi kayo sa area ng Banff, so mag-click kayo dito sa Canmore. Canmore, right ate? Canmore. More of Canada, less of everything else. Oh, there they are. Smells good. Hello. Nice, cooking mousse. Ganda. Chocolate sa akin, mami, ha? So, ito yung whole of Canmore. Tatak Banff, Canada. Tatak Alberta. Mountain Dew. Hindi Mountain Dew, kundi Mountain Dew. Kape na may halong alak. Ikaw ba'y patutulugin ng alak o gigisingin ng kape? Hindi na kayo. Wait.
Please don't do it! He is doing it, you see?
Kapeng may alak.
It's not allowed!
We want